Every year, ESRA is organizing Monothematic Sunny Autumn meeting. In 2026, we will be discussing enhanced recovery after surgery, management of acute post-operative pain, transition to chronic pain, and prevention of chronic pain after surgical interventions. World-renowned experts will be there, and you will be able to be taught in these topics in an excellent.
It's a fantastic event led by two amazing people. You've got Professor Nuala Lucas, who's the president of the OAA. You've got Professor Mark van de Velde, who was a past president of ESRA, the current editor-in-chief of the EGA. It's a unique opportunity really to get to interact and ask really in-depth questions with world experts in a nice intimate setting, and to be honest, it's in a beautiful hotel in a sunny location in the Algarve, so that helps as well.
The goal to focus on a specific topic and really dissect every aspect of that topic and teach the audience. There is a lot of interaction between audience and speakers. There is a lot of time for questions.
The venue is not your typical conference hotel. It's a 5-star hotel in the Algarve, so it's very attractive to come. The lectures are only for 4 hours a day, so you work hard for 4 hours and then you have time to go and enjoy the Portuguese sunny weather and play golf if you're interested, or do whatever else, go to the beach. So it's a nice combination of a bit of time to relax, but obviously lots of high quality education.